Making a woven Easter basket. We're using repurposed wallpaper, and we have 4 12-inch by 1-inch strips. Then we have the next 4 that will go horizontal to the vertical ones. And now we'll weave 1 over, 1 under. And for each strip, we'll do the opposite, 1 under, 1 over. And we'll do this 4 times total to get all the horizontal strips woven. This is the base for our basket. Straighten everything so it's nice and even, and then we'll hot glue all the corners together so it's just a little more secure. Next, we're going to begin folding up on the ones that are under. This is every other. Then we flip it over, so now the colorful side faces the bottom, and we continue to do the opposite ones and fold upwards all the way around. This is establishing the next side of our basket. Now we're going to begin weaving the sides, so every other, and making sure it's the opposite from what the bottom was. We'll hot glue the very first piece, and we'll fold at the corner so we can go to side number 2. And then we'll do over, under, opposite of the bottom. And this is the next side. Folding again, and then we know that this piece is only 12 inches, so we will hot glue another piece to it. And continue around to the last side, over, under, making sure you fold the last corner, and then we will cut and hot glue it to the inside. Also hot glue some edges around to secure. And we're on to row number 2, weaving the opposite, over, under, making sure we fold the corner and onto the second side, over, under, and continue the same process we repeated on the first row. Just to be safe, securing some of those areas. And the top row, gluing to the final over, under, opposite what you did the previous row, folding the edges, wrapping around, over, under, in this weaving, plain weave pattern, and going all the way around. Once you're done, we'll straighten it out a little bit before we add hot glue to the inside of each of those top vertical pieces just to secure everything. This is on every piece on the top edge. Next, we'll fold over the very top piece that has anything on it and hot glue the handle on the inside of that folded area, and hot glue the edges so they wrap around and all the way to the other side of the basket handle, hot gluing, and then we're done. Time to fill your basket with goodies.